Hello student, Hemant sir is here again. So we are going to solve the second solved problem and you have to understood very precisely because in exercise 7.2 we have second question based on it. Okay, so do concentrate और ध्यान लगाकर इसको समझना है. ओके, सेकंड क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज का आपको सॉल्व करना है. दैट विल बी होमवर्क और वो बिल्कुल इसके बेस्ड है. ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन. ओके, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन समझना है क्या तो सॉल्व करना बहुत ज्यादा इजी हो जाता है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन. ओके, द क्वेश्चन सेज द रेडियस ऑफ टॉप एंड द बेस ऑफ द फ्रस्ट्यूम आर 14 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. That means we have the frustum. Okay, it is the frustum and its radius of the top and the base is 14 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. So it is R1. R1 is 14 centimeter and R2 is 8 centimeter. Okay, now we have to join this. Okay, it is the frustum. Now its height is 8 centimeter. See, इसकी जो height है ये भी कितनी है, h equals to 8 centimeter. Okay, so find curve surface area. हमको इसका कर्व सरफेस एरिया कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके, इसका सराउंडिंग वाला. देन टोटल सरफेस एरिया. टोटल सरफेस एरिया इंक्लूड कर्व सरफेस एरिया प्लस सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द टॉप एंड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द बॉटम. तीनों को ऐड करके हम सॉल्व करेंगे. देन वॉल्यूम, दैट मीन्स द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द फ्रस्ट्यूम. ये तीनों हमको सॉल्व करना है. ओके, सो हमको सॉल्व करने के लिए ये जो हाइट है इसको हम स्लंट हाइट बोलते हैं. ये हमको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा पहले. ओके, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट स्लंट हाइट फर्स्ट. ओके, सो द स्लंट हाइट कैलकुलेट करने का फॉर्मूला है. सो इट इज द गिवन पार्ट. h is 8 centimeter, r1 is 14 centimeter, r2 is 8 centimeter. Then what we have to find? We have to find curve surface area, surround वाला part. Then total surface area, surrounding part, curve area plus top and bottom का area, and then volume. Then these are the formula that we are going to use. So first formula we have to use L, which is for slant height. Okay, now the formula of slant height is L equals to h square. See here, h square plus, it is inside the root. Okay, it is inside the root, plus we have r1 minus r2 square. r1 minus r2 square. Okay, so L equals to, what is h? h is 8 centimeter. So here we have to write 8 square. Okay, square of h means square of 8 plus inside the bracket, what is r1? r1 is 14. So here we have to write 14 minus R2. R2 is 8 centimeter. So here we have to write 8 square. So L equals to root square of 8 is 64. So we have to write 64 here plus 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. So 8, yes, 6. So here the square of 6. Square of 6. So L equals to root 64 plus square of 6 is 36. So 36 and 64 is 100. So L equals to root 100. And what is root 100? It is 10. So we have to write L equals to 10. So slant height हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया है और वो कितनी है, 10 है. So it is now 10. Okay, now we can calculate all the three. That is curve surface area, total surface area and volume. So first we are going to calculate curve surface area. Okay, now first curve C, surface is S and A is area. So CSA, it is curve surface area, equals to, what is formula? Formula is pi into L into R1 plus R2. It is R1 plus R2. Okay, so CSA equals to, what is pi? Pi is 22 divided by 7 into L. L is slant height and which is 10 into R1 is 14. So here we have to write 14 plus R2 is 8. So curve surface area equals to 20. See, if we will multiply 22 to 10, we get 220 divided by 7 into 14 plus 8 is, it is 22. It is 22. Okay. So once we will solve this, we will get, see, 22 divided by 7 is 3.14. So CSA equals to 220 into 3.14. Okay. So once you will solve, you will get 690.8. So I'm going to write here. Okay. So once you will solve, you will get 6. It is curve surface area equals to 690.8. Okay. One, you will multiply this, you will get 690.8. Okay. So it is in cm square, क्योंकि एरिया है तो एरिया क्या होता है? सेंटीमीटर का स्क्वायर. सो इट इज आवर फर्स्ट आंसर. Okay, now we are going to solve the second one. So second, what is second one? We have to find total surface area. It is total surface area equals to, and the formula is pi L into R1 plus R2 plus, see, curve surface area plus upper circular part का area. It is pi R1 square plus lower base का area. It is R pi R2 square. Okay. Therefore total surface area equals to see, अभी हमने इसको सॉल्व किया था. pi L into R1 plus R2 ये था कर्व सरफेस एरिया. उसकी वैल्यू कितनी है? ये 690.8. सो हम डायरेक्टली आंसर यहां पर लिख सकते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज ये किसके बराबर है? इसके बराबर. सो वी हैव टू राइट 690.8 प्लस, सी, पाई इज 22 divided by 7 into R1 is 14. So here we have to write 14 into 14 plus pi is 22 divided by 7 into R2 is 8. So we have to write 8 into 8. Okay. This 7 and 14 will get cancelled by twice. So total surface area equals to 690.8 plus 22 into 2 is 44 into 14 plus, see, 22 divided by 7 into 8 into 8, 8 8s are 64. Okay, so you have to solve this individually. It is 14 4s are, so it is total surface area equals to 690.8 plus 14 14s are 56. 56 का 6 कैरी करेगा 5. 14 4s are 56 and 56 plus 5 is 61. So it is 616. Okay. Now here we have to multiply this. We have to check whether it is going to be cancel or not. Okay. So 22 divided by 7 is 3.14 into 64. So total surface area equals to, once you will multiply this and you have to add both the value, then you will get the answer 1507. It is 1507 point something approximate 2. Okay, yes, it is 2. So ये भी एरिया है, so ये भी हम लिखेंगे in square centimeter. So it is our second answer. Okay, Now we have curved surface area. We already have total surface area. Now we have to identify the volume. That is third part of the question. So what is the volume? So volume is V, and V equals to, we have 1 by 3 pi h into R1. See here it is R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. So here it is R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. So V equals to 1 by 3 into, what is pi? It is 22 divided by 7 into h. H means height. Height is 8 centimeter into, what is R1? R1 is 14. So square of 14 plus R2. R2 is 8. So we have to write square of 8 plus 14 into 8. Okay. Now V equals to, so here we can write, it is 8 into 2 is 16. 16 का 6 carry करेगा 1. 8 to the 16 and 1 17. It is 176 divided by 7 3s are 21 into the square of 14 is, it is 14 into 14. So 14 4s are 56. 56 का 6 carry करेगा 5. 14 1 is 14 and 4 is 19. It is 196 plus square of 8 is 64 plus 14 8s are. So it is just double of 196. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 का 2. No. 14 8s are. So 8 4s are 32. 32 का 2 carry करेगा 3. 8 1 is 8 and 3 is 11. It is 1 1 2. Okay. Now we have to add. So V equals to 176 divided by 21 into 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 and 6 is 12. 12 का 2 carry करेगा 1. 1 plus 1 2 and 6 is 8. 8 and 9 is 17. 17 का 7 carry करेगा 1. 1 and 1 2 and 1 is 3. It is 372. Okay. And once you will solve, say I am going to solve over here. Okay. So once you will solve this, you will get answer 3114. It is 3114.88, and it is volume. So the volume will be cube. So it is cm cube. Okay. So this is our third answer. Okay. So now हमारा बोर्ड पैक हो चुका है. So we have to write result. So result के लिए हम next color के यूज करेंगे, so that you can identify. First you have to write this part, then this part, then this part, and then last this one. So here we are going to write the result. So what will be the result? The curved surface area, it is CSA of rostrum is, it is, see this is the first part, curved surface area, and which is 690.8. It is 690.8 square centimeter. Okay. Now next we have total surface area. It is second part. Total surface area equals to, total surface area कितना है? It is 1507.2 and unit is square centimeter. Then we have volume. Volume is here 3114. So 3114.88 cm cube, and this is our answer. Okay. So students, this is the way you have to solve the problem. Okay. So कंसेप्चुअल नहीं है, बहुत ज्यादा इजी है, बस आपको सॉल्व कर फॉर्मूला का यूज करते आना चाहिए. ओके. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन, देन सॉल्व अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द वे यू हैव टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. So in practice set 7.2 you have the second number question and which is again very easy one. It is like this only. जो सेकंड क्वेश्चन है बिल्कुल इस क्वेश्चन का कॉपी है, बस वैल्यूज में चेंज है, अदरवाइज कोई चेंज नहीं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन. सो द सेकंड क्वेश्चन ऑफ योर प्रैक्टिस सेट सेज, प्रैक्टिस सेट 7.2 का क्वेश्चन है. ओके ना, एंड इट सेज द रेडियस ऑफ एंड ऑफ फ्रस्टम इज 14 and 6 सेंटीमीटर. सी ये तो 14 ही है, यहां पर आपको 6 करना है, 8 के बदले में आपको लिखना है 6. एंड द हाइट इज 6 सेंटीमीटर एंड हाइट 6 सेंटीमीटर. बिल्कुल क्वेश्चन इसका कॉपी है, बस यहाँ पर 8 के बदले में 6 प्लेस किया हुआ है और कुछ भी नहीं है. ओके, सो इट इज अगेन गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी इजी वन. ओके, सो यू हैव टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली. जैसा हमने इसको सॉल्व किया है बिल्कुल वैसे सेकंड क्वेश्चन आपको सॉल्व करना है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स हियर वी आर कंप्लीटिंग आवर टुडे सेशन. So in today's session we have completed the curved surface area part, total surface area part and volume part of the frustum. Okay, so and the second question is the homework 5. Okay, so students आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. If you want to understand this question again you can repeat the video once. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही. Bye for now. If you want to write you can write or take a screenshot.